See? Doesn't stick too well on the refrigerator, but I also found out it doesn't do a lot of refrigerators because the refrigerators are stainless steel, but look, it's bright outside, and yet, hey, a little popping out. And look at that, bright it is. It is extremely bright. This video doesn't do any justice for it. Pretty much see anything with that. And you can adjust it to how bright you want with that. There you go. I think it's great to have, you know, for emergencies and storms.
This is the little lantern. It is really wonderful. It has these handles. It's very, very bright. You can see it brightens up a huge space here. We use them indoors and outdoors, and to turn them off could not be simpler. Just press it down, and there you have it. I have so
Nice, I like it. Easy to use.
And who's man going cheap like mine?